Across the globe, there are places that tug at our imagination, formations and monuments that feel older than explanation, as if the planet itself keeps secrets in plain sight. From deserts etched with giant drawings to stones hauled across continents, from a fiery pit in the Turkmen Desert to a hush of dolls on a small Mexican island, each site holds a story. Today, we talk about the world's most compelling mystery, the Bermuda Triangle, and ask, what do we now know? And how are scientists finally answering questions that once seemed unsolvable? The reality is more mundane, but no less interesting. The Atlantic here is busy and sometimes brutal. Strong currents, unpredictable weather, and, crucially, human error and mechanical failure account for many incidents. The mystery begins with history. Yes, we are talking about the Bermuda Triangle. In 1492, Christopher Columbus noted strange compass behavior and mysterious lights while sailing through these waters. Centuries later, sensational stories grew as maritime trade and aviation expanded through the region. The term Bermuda Triangle wasn't coined until 1964 by writer Vincent Gaddis in Argosy magazine. His dramatic article suggested a zone of supernatural disappearances. From pulp magazines to best-selling books, the idea of a devil's triangle took hold, mixing fact with fiction. December 1945, 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, Flight 19, vanished during a training mission. Radio transcripts revealed confusion over compass readings. Rescue planes were launched, but one also disappeared. The Navy's investigation cited navigational error, disorientation, and fuel exhaustion, but the idea of 6 planes vanishing in one day fed the legend. With such stories, speculation grew. Alien abductions, time warps, even underwater crystal pyramids. But science tells a more grounded tale. This region is a meteorological hotspot. Sudden squalls, hurricanes, and the powerful Gulf Stream current. In 2020, researchers used wave tank simulations to demonstrate how rogue waves, rare, towering walls of water, can reach over 100 feet and sink ships within minutes. Columbus's compass report still echoes today. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places where magnetic north and true north align, a factor that once created navigational confusion, especially before modern GPS. The triangle sits on some of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Insurance records and U.S. Coast Guard data show accident rates here are not significantly higher than anywhere else with such dense traffic. One theory suggests methane gas, trapped beneath the seafloor, could suddenly erupt, reducing water density and sinking vessels. While possible in theory, no confirmed evidence shows such an event causing disappearances in this region. In 2010, NOAA, the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, concluded there's nothing scientifically unusual about the Bermuda Triangle. Storms, currents, and human factors explain most incidents. The U.S. Coast Guard echoes the same view. Still, the Bermuda Triangle endures as a legend. Books, films, and documentaries keep the myth alive because mystery captures imagination in ways that facts rarely do. The Bermuda Triangle is less about